Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. We continue our discussion on the topic of anemia. Students, how we define anemia? The deficiency of hemoglobin and red blood cells is called anemia. Students, this range is different in different age groups and in different ethnic communities. In adult age, in adult males, we consider hemoglobin concentration range normal 11 to 13, 11 to 16. It is in females. And adult males, their range include 13 to 18.5 milligrams per deciliter. I repeat, the normal range of hemoglobin in an adult male is 13.5 to 18.5 grams per deciliter, while in adult female, this normal hemoglobin range is 11.5 to 16.5 grams per deciliter. Students, any concentration below this range is considered abnormal and taken as anemia. Students, while discussing or while describing anemia, there are two main parameters. MCV, mean corpuscular volume. It means size of the RBCs. And second parameter is MCH, mean corpuscular or mean cellular hemoglobin. Another parameter is MCHC, that is mean hemoglobin cell concentration. Students, anemia is divided on the basis of these two parameters into normocytic anemias and we divide anemias on the basis of MCV and MCH. Student, if MCV is normal, that is the cell size is normal, MCV normal range is 80 to 96 femtoliter. If cell size is less than 80, it is considered as small sized and we call it as microcytic anemia. If the cell size is more than 96 femtoliter, we call it as macrocytic anemia. So, normocytic anemia, in which red blood cells are of normal size, the causes include anemia of chronic diseases, acute blood loss anemias, and sickle cell anemias. Students, microcytic anemia, in which the cell size is smaller than 80 femtoliter, it is seen in iron deficiency anemias and mainly thalassemias. Macrocytic anemia, mean corpuscular volume MCV is more than 96 femtoliter. Macrocytic anemia is seen in megaloblastic anemias, vitamin B12 and folic acid. Non-megaloblastic macrocytic anemias, they include anemia seen in liver diseases and hemolytic anemias. Students, now we classify anemia on the basis of MCH. If MCH is normal, that is, it is in the range of 27 to 32 picograms per ml. 27 to 32 picograms per ml, it is normochromic. Normochromic anemia is seen in anemias due to acute blood loss and anemia of chronic diseases like kidney disease, liver diseases. Students, next we have got hypochromic anemia. Hypochromic anemias are those anemias in which MCH, mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, is less than 27 picograms per ml. Hypochromic anemia is seen in iron deficiencies and thalassemia. Next is hyperchromic anemia. In these anemias, MCH concentration is more than 32 picograms per ml. Hyperchromic anemias, they include hereditary spherocytosis and copper deficiencies anemia. Students, this was very brief about classification of anemia on the basis of MCV and MCH. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.